Good day everyone. Today I'm going to present my reporting about female reproductive system. These are the learning objectives. State the key areas of the female reproductive system. Describe the role and function of each part. Explain the medication, treatment, and diagnosis. What is female reproductive system? The female reproductive system is a complex system of internal and external organs that play a crucial role in sexual activity, fertility, menstruation, and pregnancy. It's responsible for producing eggs, harboring a fertilized egg, and facilitating the process of childbirth. Ang female reproductive system ay bahagi ng katawan ng babae na responsable sa pagbuo, pagdaloy, at pagpapadala ng bagong buhay o pagbubuntis. Role of the female reproductive system. The female reproductive system has many roles. It produces eggs in the ovaries which are transported via the oviducts. A male sperm can fertilize the egg to produce an embryo which can implant in the uterus wall and eventually develop into a baby. The female reproductive system regulates this process by various different hormones which are produced in the ovaries and pituitary gland. Ang role ng female reproductive system ay napakahalaga sa proseso ng panganganak, menstruation at pangangalaga sa kalusugan ng reproduktong bahaging katawan ng babae. The major organ of female reproductive system. First is ovary. The female reproductive system has two ovaries. They contain undeveloped eggs, which are present from birth. They also make hormones which regulate the menstrual cycle. One of the ovaries release a mature egg as part of the menstrual cycle. Ang ovary ay isang maliit na organo na hugis itlog at karaniwang may dalawa nito, isa sa kanang bahagi at isa sa kaliwa. Oviduct. The oviduct are two tubes which connect the ovaries to the uterus. Oviducts are also known as fallopian tubes. They are lined with hair-like cells called cilia to help move the egg from the ovary to the uterus. Ang oviduct ay isang manipis at mahabang tubo sa loob ng katawan ng babae na nag-uugnay mula sa ovary papunta sa uterus. Cervix. The cervix is a ring of muscle which keeps the baby in the uterus during pregnancy. The cervix dilates to open during labor. Dito dumadaan ang dugo kapag may regla at dito din dumadaan ang semilya para makarating sa uterus. Uterus. The uterus is a muscular with a soft lining. A fertilized egg can implant in the uterus wall and develop from an embryo to a baby over the course of a pregnancy. The lining of the uterus wall comes away as a period if an egg is not fertilized by a sperm. Dito nabubuo at lumalaki ang sanggol kapag buntis. Vagina. The vagina is a muscular tube which connects the cervix to outside the body. It is where the penis enters during sexual intercourse and where the baby exits the body during childbirth. The vagina is also where the menstrual blood leaves the body. Ang vagina ay nag-uugnay sa labas ng katawan papuntang uterus. First in reproductive cycle is the ovarian cycle, change in the ovary. Follicular phase begins on the day 1 of menstruation and ends with ovulation. An egg matures inside the follicles in the ovary. Hormonal signals stimulate follicular growth and estrogen production. Ang follicular phase ay yugto ng buwan ng dalaw na nagsisimula sa unang araw ng regla. Ovulation. occur around day 14 in the typically 28-day cycle. A surge in luteinizing hormone triggers the release of the mature egg from the follicle. Karaniwang nangyayari ang ovulation sa kalagitnaan ng menstrual cycle. Luteal phase follows ovulation and lasts about 14 days. The ruptured follicle transforms into the corpus luteum, which produces progesterone. If the egg is not fertilized, the corpus luteum degrades, leading to the lower hormone levels. Buwan ng siklo ng babae pagkatapos ng ovulation. Sa panahong ito, naghihintay ang uterus kung may mabubuong pagbubuntis. The second in the reproductive cycle is the endometrial cycle, changes in the uterus. Menstrual phase. This is the beginning of the cycle marked by the shedding of the uterine lining and menstruation. Dito lumalabas ang dugo at lining ng uterus sa pamagitan ng vagina. Proliferative phase corresponds to the follicular phase of the ovarian cycle. The uterine lining begins to thicken and rebuild the response to rising estrogen levels. Ang proliferative phase ay buwan ng siklo ng babae pagkatapos ng regula. Secretory phase occurs during the luteal phase of the ovarian cycle. The uterine lining continues to prepare for possible implant fertilized egg, becoming enriched with blood vessels and nutrients. If no fertilization occurs, the lining sheds and the cycle begins again with the menstrual phase. Secretory phase ay buwan ng siklo ng babae pagkatapos ng ovulation. Common female reproductive system disease. First is cervical cancer, also known as uterine cancer. It occurs most often in women who are obese or during the first stage of menopause. Ang cervical cancer ay isang uri ng cancer na tumutubo sa cervix ng matres ng babae. Kadalasan itong sanhi ng HPV, human papilloma virus, vaginal yeast infection. It is one of the most common diseases and it caused by a fungus that arises due to the alteration of the pH of the vaginal discharge or a weak immune system. Ang vaginal yeast infection ay infection sa vagina na kasanhi ng sobrang pagdami ng fungus, tinatawag na candida. Endometriosis. In the presence of tissue similar to the endometrium, it causes chronic inflammation and irregular menstruation. Ito ay tumutubo sa labas ng matres tulad sa ovary o fallopian tubes. Nagdudulot ng matinding pananakit ng puson, masakit magregla at minsan ay mahirap magbuntis. STD. Although sexually transmitted disease affect both men and women, in many cases in women they can cause more serious symptoms or complications. Ang STD o sexual transmitted disease ay mga sakit kung saan na ipapasan sa pamamagitan ng pagtatalik. Urinary infections. Due to the presence of bacteria in the urethra, this infection can result in the cystitis or pyelonephritis. Ang urinary infection o urinary tract infection ay implikasyon sa daluyan ng ihi ng tao. Karaniwang sanhi ng bakterya at nagdudulot ng masakit sa pag-ihi, pananakit ng puson, ovarian cyst. Although some cysts may disappear on their own, they can cause complications if they don't. Ang ovarian cyst ay bukol o maliit na supot na puno ng likido na tumutubo sa ovaryo ng babae.